Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just want to say happy holidays. So today's video is going to be kind of holiday inspired, but these key products, all from CVS, are things that I feel like can help boost and sort of perfect your look. As I've mentioned, I've been partnering up with CVS Beauty to go into CVS and sort of figure out like what's good, what's not. If you're not already following me on Instagram, there's my handle. And also here's CVS's handle if you wanna sort of follow the journey as I'm testing out products and sharing them with you guys beyond just my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's just get started. All right, so I have on my foundation already and my concealer. So the product that I picked up from CVS is the Wonder 2 Perfect HD Photo Finishing Powder. So this is literally in the back says Perfect Selfie. So we're gonna try this out. And the idea is to create a filter flawless finish. So what you can do is just apply it with a little sponge or even a brush, whatever you prefer. And just a little bit, I feel like goes a long way. So I'm gonna do one side of my face just to see how this finish is gonna look. And then we'll do the other side. Look at the difference. Wow. I'm kind of feeling this, yo. So for this product being a drugstore find, I really do think that it's a great on-the-go product to take with you when you travel this holiday season. Okay, so my face is pressed. I've just added a little bit of bronzer. Nothing special there. Obviously, you have your favorites out there. Use whatever you'd like. I obviously have my nails painted, which I feel like is a lot of times rare because I'm just lazy. And also when you have a baby, it's like when you're changing those dirty diapers, it's just not a good look. I, a lot of times, don't carry nail polish with me when I travel just because, you know, it could always bust in your suitcase and all that. So when I want to go and get my nails done on my trip, or maybe I just want to have a polish that I can buy, I always go to CVS and immediately go to Essie. I think Essie polishes are just so amazing. There's something about them that don't chip as quickly as other polishes, and I find that they dry very quickly, which I'm very impatient, so I love that. And so I have been obsessing over their gel collection. This is in the shade 350 Galavanting. I always put the little top coat over it because it just kind of seals the deal, makes your nails look amazing. I still have on the electronically protected little tag. I probably should take this little sticker off. Should we put it on Teeny so that she beeps every time she walks into CVS? That's my baby. You are not leaving the store with my baby. Crazy mom probs. I'm a huge fan of boosting up the lips with a little product love, right? This is the Wonder Kiss Lip Plumping Gloss. I've never actually tried this brand. We all have tried lip plumpers though, right? And I think for me, it's like sometimes it's a little too tingly, it's a little sensational, and I'm like, okay, I can't get down with this. And what it's designed to do is it goes on, goes on smooth. It actually kind of tastes like a Carmex lip balm, and I like it. So you can just put that on your lips. You don't need to go crazy and pour the entire bottle on your lips. And then I'm supposed to wait 2 minutes. So we're gonna literally set the timer for 2 minutes. And I'm gonna just talk to you guys a little bit about, I don't know, what should we talk about? I am so excited to just listen to the Christmas songs, which I've already been doing on repeat. It just like puts me in this mood. And then if I have Home Alone playing in the background, 1 and 2, not 3. I'm not a fan of Home Alone 3. There's just something about the vibe in my house where I'm like, oh my God, I'm never leaving. Cup of hot cocoa and we're good. I'm gonna put on my best Kevin McAllister right now. Here we go. This is the part where Buzz was such a jerk and he like threw him off the stage. Remember that? And he came home. Ooh, I'm starting to feel it. I don't mind it. It's not like super tingly, you know what I mean? I'm so ADD. Buzz pushes him off the stage, right? This is Home Alone. Oh my God, I'm having a brain fart. Hold the phone. Brittany, the Home Alone where Buzz pushes Kevin off the stage, was that 1 or 2? Where Buzz pushes Kevin off the stage and the old lady innocently...
Oh, that's 1.
That's 1!
Oh, yeah.
Why did I even want to, where was I going with this whole thing? My lips are popping. And to obviously add a little bit of color this holiday season. So I just picked up this pretty red shade that I saw because it just reminded me of this little pillow and like cozy Christmas red. I feel like this is that color. So I just grabbed it. This is Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. And I'm always talking about these on the Good Life podcast. I'm just gonna say that right now. And you guys know I'm obsessed. This shade is in the shade Missy and Fierce. I wanna know, what are your favorite, holiday cozy activities that you guys like to do? Is there any games that you like to play, traditions? One swipe, and I feel so good about this right now. I don't know why I shake when I apply matte lip. It's so nerve-wracking. I'm feeling it. I like it. I kind of like that it is a little bit brighter than what I thought, because it just, I don't know, brighter just to me, sometimes when the red is a little bit cooler like this, it's just like more fun and vibrant for daytime, and I love that. Christmas Day when I'm opening up my gifts. Yeah. If I'm gonna wear color, it has to be matte nowadays. It's like once you become a mom, good luck trying to wear any type of like gloss on your lips, because you just want to kiss your baby all day. You know what I mean? And I'm not trying to give up those teeny kisses for a glossy pout. You feel me? I feel like during the holiday season when you travel, you're constantly, in the house, out of the house, going to this person's house, going to the restaurants. So stick with a waterproof mascara that's tight lined this holiday season. I was really hoping I would find one at CVS, and I'm so glad when I saw that Wet n Wild has one. It's their skinny mascara. I haven't tried it, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers on YouTube use them before. So I obviously grabbed it without hesitation because I knew you guys would obviously love it. And as many of you guys know, I have been doing a little bit of taking care of my lashes, I guess you can say, by really taking the time to put on Maybelline's lash serum. I've been using this for a couple of months now, morning and night. And you guys, I'm about to show you the difference, because I know a lot of you guys have seen my older tutorials, and there's really a difference in me just applying my mascara. Nothing different here. I'm just gonna get really close to the root using my Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara. Like, it's just cooperating with me more. And I really think that the serum has been my saving grace in that department, because I have no desire now to even want to attempt to try to put on lashes, because I really feel like I don't need them. You guys can see how enhanced my lashes look, and the cost of this mascara is stupid cheap. I'm just gonna say that. Like, it's so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, so if you saw my last CVS beauty video, then you obviously saw me use this to straighten my hair. It's the Conair 2-in-1 styler. Do your hair straight, or you can wear it curly, and you don't have to pack in your suitcase a curling wand, a curling iron, what size barrel, this, that. CVS, I'm telling you, they need to like take over the world right now, because they are taking over my vanity space. Hey! Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you guys, but I'm gonna just start by just showing you. This obviously ain't a hair tutorial, so don't judge me. May or may not have some gray hairs popping. And I'm not gonna put it on all it goes up to 400 degrees. I'm just going to 355 because I don't want the curls to be like super like tight. So to do that, I'll just grab a small section, twirl it around, bring it back down. And then the cool thing is if at any point, like while you're curling it and you're like, okay, let me just make it a little bit more like that, you can. You can just do it all in one. I love that. So this is just an extra little bonus product I added to this video. Obviously, all of those other ones that I mentioned were the ones that I recently got. Okay, I'm done boring you guys. I'm gonna hurry up and finish this up and show you the finished look. All right, guys, well, this was my current faves from CVS video. So whatever holiday look that you're looking to rock this season, you can just boost it up with these products that are easy and also affordable. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that. And also, if you want to know all the details behind this look, I'll be sure to mention it below in the description box, so check that out. Until next time, mwah, mwah. Happy holidays, guys! I am feeling the cozy holiday vibes right now.